Last cryptocurrency videos, I explained to you what is cryptocurrency and how cryptocurrency work. If you're interested, feel free to check it out. I will put the link in the description below. In the videos, I explained to you the ledger system or the blockchain can be trusted by people based on the high computation work. And I promise to make a separate videos to explain to you the technology behind the blockchain. So I'm here to fulfill my promise. First, we once again want to understand what is blockchain. Blockchain is a peer-to-peer network, and the word blockchain can be separated into two terms of block and chain. The block refers to a collection of data, and the word chain refers to a public database that stores all of the block inside as a list. The decentralized database is known as a distributed ledger technology. Essentially, we call it a digital form of ledger. This ledger is distributed across the entire network on the blockchain, and each of the blocks in the chain contains certain amount of transaction. Each time when a new transaction occurs in the blockchain, a new record of transaction will be added on to every participant ledger. Imagine you are purchasing grocery, and when you're making payment, details of your transaction will be recorded down onto a node, and the node will be broadcast out to every person in the space that uses a similar currency. And you will also receive information of transaction of other people as well. Blockchain is specially designed as a system to record down all of the information in a way that it is impossible or difficult for anyone to hack, cheat, or change the system, because all of the transaction recorded down in the blockchain is secured by cryptography or immutable signatures called hash. Cryptography is designed to protect and secure the whole crypto system by preventing any third party to access or gain knowledge about the information or data during the private communication process. All of the information will be encrypted during the communication process. Imagine you and your friend Alex are communicate using messengers. When you are sending message like, "Hi Alex," the message will be encrypted during the sending process, so messengers cannot read your message. Cryptocurrency is secured by cryptography based on a one-way function called hash function. The idea behind is you can put any message into a hash function, and it will alter the message into a random string of number in one way. In such way, you cannot then reverse the function. So imagine you take my name and put it into a hash function called SHA-256, which is the one that Bitcoin used. The message will come out into a random string of numbers called hash or digest, and if you look at the numbers or the letters, there is no way you can reverse the random string of numbers back into its original message. So it actually helps to secure the whole message. Now we can make sure that the ledger and the block is being secure. But how we can make sure that the ledger or the whole system is purely decentralized or not controlled by anyone or any parties? To make sure that the ledger is purely decentralized, the concept of proof of work is being used, where all people in a crypto network will maintain the system, and these people or guys are called Bitcoin miners. This miner will be solving the hash puzzles, which requires a lot of computation powers. What they are doing is listen to the transaction being broadcast out, collect it into a block, and then they will do their work to find out the special numbers to secure the block. After that, they will broadcast out the block back to the network, and they will get certain amount of transaction fees in a currency form. Even though there is no centralized authority in the whole system and everyone have their own ledger in hand, this system is still trustable because everyone is agreed to trust on the blockchain with the most computation work put into it. If there is any conflict of transaction history, you can choose to trust the one with the most computation work put into it. And if there is a tie, just wait for the chain to add up. Essentially, that sums up for today's videos. I hope you liked the videos and found some value that help you to increase your knowledge on cryptocurrency just like myself. And if you like the videos, don't forget to help me destroy that like buttons for the YouTube algorithms and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.